So let's attend to it here now. So I've kept on saying this, the format method. So let's assume this is the index. Here we have it here, given the syntax. So in the range of x, and then 1 to 20, then 20, then let's assume put x here and you print it. What does it show? What does it show? 1. Okay, I put 2, 1 and 2, so I didn't put 20. So it prints 1 to 19. So now, what we needed to do, we needed to print this with what? With x, which is x, which is what we are, which is x star star like this, are we? 2. So to do that, use the format method. Using the format method, we all know colon first, curly braces. You needed that x to be here, which is all those 1 to 3 to be inside these curly braces. The other curly braces, you needed those x, which is the square of that number, which is x stars asterisk 2 asterisk with 2. That means the power. So after that quotation now, outside that quotation, look at my cursor now. Outside that quotation now, dot format, then a parenthesis. I won't repeat. A parenthesis. So listing up. So it will take it will take more than 2. It will take 2. So because you are working with, you actually want to give this inside these curly braces some parameters. So you put x, then comma, which is x. We assign it to x asterisk what? 2. Let's run it now and see. What does it show? How does it show? You can as well put a message so that it won't just look somehow broad or so. You can say square number. You did not try at all. On the videos, you've not been working, and it's not encouraging. All those things, if you are not doing it, you just be going back. You be don't know how to which word to use. There won't be a growth in whatever you are doing. With what you've learned so far, if you not go ahead and make more research and work on yourself, there won't be any new development. Let me see, it's scared, and then let me run it. See? How's it? Let me see, square number. So that's it. Here, the number 1. So then it brings that back to 1 times 1. That gives us 1. It picks these 2. 2 times 2, 4. 3 times 3 times 3. Oh, 3 times 3, 9. 4 times 4, 16. On and on like that. First, we are using the format method. That's for Miss Coca that was not around. There's a video on that already. While using the format method, your curly braces, after you put your quotation, it will follow your curly braces. That's where it will take that parameters. That's where what you want to store there, what you want this to print out. Unlike the previous one that we do, that we use print like this, that we will concatenate, and then we try to convert from one data type to another. X. Was this not the previous way we've always been doing it? Abi? Now we say x, and then what? 2. Abi? Let me comment this. and run it might show me, tell me to concatenate to make casting to cast also. What does this tells me? Unsupported operand type plus 4. Okay, let's change this str. Then if it doesn't work, that is the essence. That was why they introduced the format method actually, so that this one won't be too stressful. Trying to convert from one data type to the other is kind of stressful sometimes. You see, the format method is just straightforward. Run it once and it runs. You see now? Do you see? You see the bunch of stuff we wrote here before it could print it out. I don't know if you see the whole bunch of stuff we wrote here for the normal casting method before you could print the same thing we used for format. Can you see it? So that's just the difference. This was the normal way, but when we did not add this casting, when we actually did not cast the two, it was showing error. So we needed to cast, but the format, using the format method now, the format will do it. That's explicit conversion. It will convert it. You need to make any conversion. Implicit, sorry. You don't need to make any conversion. It will do the conversion by itself. You need to try to cast from one data type. No, format to format it to a particular data type it needs it to be. So that's why I said we are no more using this method trying to convert from one data type. We are beyond that. We've gone beyond that. And I said we will be using the format method now. That's why we use this. And that's it. It's simple. So simple. Let's understand the logic. So let's